the last guy I was dating, he wanted to pay for everything, and so I ended up surprising him and paying for the movie date. He was like, I don't like that you did that. And I was like, what do you mean? And he was just like, I don't know. And I don't know, in his mind, maybe he thought that this was turning into a friendship and not a relationship anymore. So for me, I was like, I mean, I didn't get the chance to really like say much and everything, because like he did die suddenly. But like for me, I wish I had a chance to really tell him like, hey, like, I'm not trying to take anything from you. Yeah. You know what I mean? That's because I'm doing 50-50. You did pay for dinner. Dinner is expensive. All I did was pay for the movie.
Yeah. And like, see that's a problem. That's a problem when the person is not allowing you to, you know, provide or to give back or actually do the 50-50 thing. Cause I'm a 50-50 person as well. And I think a lot of guys have a hard time with that. Is like, I had a girl
I think that, like you said, it's a thing because it's like how you grow up in the gender role, gender expectations, stereotypes. It's like here, like I'm man, hear me roar type of thing. Like there's some men who take so much pride in that. Yeah. And it's like there are women who accept that, and there's women like me who don't accept that.